Do you want to know how you can access your stats sheets on your Draftkings account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can access your stats sheet on your Draftkings account. Go ahead and open draftkings.co.uk on your browser and hover around your profile, which is over here, and click on account information. Then this page will load up after you write down your login credentials. Go ahead and click on My Stats Sheet and you can see the stats sheet over here. You can order it over here by clicking on this lifetime, this year, or this type of sheets. And you can also reload it by clicking on Reload if your stats is not being shown. You can see all of the expenses, the deposit withdrawals, and all of the transaction history on my sheet as well. So you can access my stat sheet by going on this page over here. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.